If you are holding XRP, I have some incredible news to share with you in this video. XRP is one of the most bullish crypto charts right now out of the entire crypto market. Nobody is paying attention. We have whales moving millions of XRP. Nobody's talking about that. Whales are also at a rapid pace withdrawing XRP from exchanges. XRP is on the very edge and precipice of a massive move. And in this video, I have to share it with you. Especially towards the end of this video, there is a lot of information that I have to share with you to confirm the next price target for XRP. If you guys love XRP and cryptocurrencies, give this video a thumbs up and make sure you stick around to the end of this video. The crypto market is holding very strong. Bitcoin is continuing to hold very strong. Altcoins are starting to look very bullish. There is a lot of bullish catalysts that are taking place this week. We have Trump announcing a lot of very bullish deals with countries around the world. They want to come to some type of deal, and that's taking place this week. Trump is filing for an ETF that's going to be following XRP and other altcoins. I mean, there is so much going on. It's absolutely insane. If we take a look here at XRP, what we can see very clearly is this ascending triangle pattern, and XRP is getting very, very close to an actual breakout. This is incredible. If this does happen, ladies and gentlemen, we could see very quickly $2.65 for XRP, and that is very, very bullish. If this level gets taken and we do break out and we do hit this level, we could potentially see $3 for XRP, and this could come very, very quickly. The crypto market is holding very strong. Despite all the attempts of the bears to push crypto prices down, they're holding very strong. The stock market is also pumping very strongly and in a very strong manner. You take a look at the stock market, look at how much of a tear it has been on ever since all these deals have come to place regarding the tariffs. And the tariffs FUD dropped the market, but that was a buying opportunity. And now the stock market's at all-time highs. The economy is strong. Inflation is down. Everything is looking extremely good. The dollar is also crashing. Ethereum also getting ready to make another move up potentially. We're taking a look at altcoins. Everything is looking very, very strong. And guess what that means? It's very bullish. Look at this. Trump's Truth Social files with the SEC to launch crypto blue chip ETF tracking Bitcoin, Ethereum, Solana, XRP, and CRO. What this essentially means is that there's going to be an ETF that is going to, with all of these coins combined, track the performance of all these coins combined. So you're basically buying a whole bunch of cryptocurrencies with one stock or ETF. And this is going to get a lot of institutional adoption into XRP and these cryptos that are a part of this ETF, which means that the people that are hosting and creating these ETFs have to physically buy XRP and all of these other coins. Trump is very, very bullish on XRP and cryptos, and that's why we are so high and we're continuing to move higher. We're holding so strong because of the pro-crypto government and the future regulations that are going to be taking place with XRP and other cryptos. What this essentially means is having a pro-crypto government is that crypto innovation can thrive in the United States, and crypto is going to be more easily accessible to all people. It's going to be backed by the government, protected and insured, and that's a very important thing as an investor. So a lot of other analysts are also calling for the same exact breakout with XRP to $3 once we can break this. And also, look, XRP is technically on the daily time frame having a breakout. If you watched the video yesterday, I showed you this important breakout. You need to watch it again. XRP is on the verge of a massive move, and we are on a macro breakout of a bull flag. Look at this. Other analysts are talking about the next leg incoming for XRP. This is going to happen very, very soon. The market has been very boring lately. It has seemed like nothing is going on, but guess what? Something very big is about to take place for sure for XRP. A big breakout, in my opinion, we are getting very, very close to. Also, BlackRock is quietly adding XRP to their digital assets portfolio. CoinDesk has been the source of this. Ripple's Asia Pacific expansion is also heating up. So Singapore, Japan, Korea are all onboarding the Ripple network. And in addition to this, the Fed's digital dollar pilot is rumored to use Ripple for cross-border infrastructure. So the government's going to be using, the Fed's going to be using XRP. They're going to be using the Ripple net. I mean, if this actually happens, this is what is going to catapult XRP to the $20 to $30 price range. Now, make sure you guys are in my Patreon so you could follow all of my signals. We are making millions of dollars every single year with my signals. If you guys want to know exactly when I'm getting in and out of positions, including futures trade alerts on leverage, join the Patreon right now. You also want to be using my ALGOSNIPER trading indicator. This indicator is going to tell you exactly when to buy and sell for any cryptocurrency. I highly recommend you try the 1 hour time frame. And you guys can try it today for just $1 at algosniper.com. You also want to be trading over on Blowfin. This is the platform where me and my community are trading on. You could trade cryptos up to 150x leverage. You're going to have the cheapest fees. You're going to be able to trade all the new meme coins before they actually get on the big exchanges. And in addition to this, you can get up to a $10,000 deposit bonus if you sign up using my link. If you got anything out of this video, please consider giving this video a thumbs up, subscribing with notifications on, and sharing it with a friend or family member so we can get this message out to the XRP community. And I will see you later.